In this video, we'll demonstrate how to make your X account private. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to make your X account private and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Open X on your device, whether it's mobile or desktop, and navigate to your profile picture. Access, Settings and Privacy on both mobile and desktop. In the settings, locate Privacy and Safety. Click or tap on Audience and Tagging. Look for the option Protect Your Posts. When selected, your tweets and account information are visible only to your followers. Enable this option on both mobile and desktop to make your account private. Once enabled, you'll notice a lock icon next to your name on your profile, indicating that your account is now protected. This feature enhances your privacy on X, allowing only your followers to view your tweets and followings. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.